This is a 2005 Toyota Sienna. The door, sliding door, won't open, stuck. So what you do is, this lock piece is broken. So what you do is, to get it open, actually a lot of people saying to take out this 2 screws from the side right here. For me, what I did, I pop it up a little bit, just like this. I popped it out, and what I use, and to open it, I use this piece right here and pull it with, and I put it back like this. But right now it's locked. We just put this back, and the door will open. 1 second. And the door will open. The next step is we're gonna fix how to get this to work. Stay tuned. I'll get back.